Alright, so I'm going to show you guys a trick with these Ford F-150 CV axles. Mine's an 08, so 04 through 08. I don't know if other years are similar, but got my 12 mil and just a regular ratchet. So I've always sat here and fought this and done all this dumb shit. It's on jacks. I'm gonna take the tire and it pins out against the lower control. Now you just spin this tire see right there on the edge, and you spin it back. And then you just keep doing that. I literally broke this thing free just by using everything it already has. I just spun the tire.